Good morning. Today we are going to start the fourth module. In that section we can see that a drama and two film reviews. I know all of you are interested to watch films. We have the habit to discuss about the film reviews. Today we are going to start the 10th chapter. It's a film review. We are going to discuss the film Mitra My Friend, directed by the famous actor and director Revati. Let us begin with Revati. Asha Kelunni Nayar, better known by her stage name Revati, is an Indian film actress and director known for her works predominantly in Tamil and Malayalam cinema. She has won several accolades including the National Film Awards in 3 different categories and 6 Filmfare Awards South. I know all of you are very familiar with Revati. Her original name is Asha Kelunni Nayar. She is an Indian film actress and also director. Then we are going to speak about her early life. Revati was born Asha Kelunni Nayar in Kochi to Malank Kelunni Nayar, a major in the Indian Army who hails from Kalladikode, Palakkad, and Lalitha Kelunni. Malayalam actress Geetha Vijayan is her cousin. I already told you Revati's original name is Asha Kelunni Nayar. She is the daughter of Malank Kelunni Nayar. Her father was a major in the Indian Army. Her mother is Lalitha Kelunni. Very famous Malayalam actress Geetha Vijayan is her cousin. When she was in school, she took part in a fashion show. Group photos were taken during the show and a photo was chosen to be the cover of a popular Tamil magazine. This happened to be her photo, which was seen by the director Bharati Raja, who at that time was on the lookout for a new heroine for his latest venture, Manvasane. When she was in school, she participated in a fashion show. At that time, group photos were taken. After that, that photo was chosen to be the cover of a popular Tamil magazine. Then we can see that the famous Tamil director Bharati Raja, who at that time was on the lookout for a new heroine for his latest venture, Manvasane. As the result, Revati became the heroine of that film, Manvasane. Then we are going to talk about her personal life. Revati married cinematographer and director Suresh Chandra Menon in 1986. The couple didn't have any children. However, following differences between them, they started living separately from 2005 and were granted divorce on 23rd April 2013 by Chennai Additional Family Court. As of 2018, she revealed that she has a 5-year-old biological daughter named Mahi through in vitro fertilization. Vitro fertilization, it's an illustrated schematic of IVF with a single sperm injection. So we can see that she revealed in 2018 she has a 5-year-old biological daughter. Her daughter's name is Mahi. She got the child through IVF. Then I want to speak about filmography. Revati is as an actress. In order of languages in which she acted, the most to least number of films in Malayalam, Kannada, Hindi, Tamil and Telugu. As director, in 2002 she directed Mitra My Friend, English film. She won National Film Award film in English. In 2004 she directed Fir Milega in Hindi. In 2009 Kerala Cafe she directed in Malayalam. In 2010 Mumbai Cutting she directed this film in Hindi. In 2011 Red Building Where the Sun Sets directed in English. It's a short film. She won the National Film Award feature film on family. She is also worked as a dubbing artist. She worked as a dubbing artist in almost 7 films. Pasumbon for Sharanya, Ponvannan, Devaragam, the famous Malayalam film Devaragam. She dubbed for very famous actress Sridevi. Another famous film Minsara Kanavu, she dubbed for Kajol. She also dubbed for Pooja Bhadra for very famous Malayalam film Megham. Kandugondem, in that film she dubbed for Tabu. In very famous film Chandrolsavam she dubbed for Kushbu. She also dubbed in the film Punyakoti for a cow. Revati is a trained Bharatanatyam dancer, having studied since the age of 7 and performed her Arangetram in Chennai in 1979. She has been considered as one of the all-time top actresses of Tamil cinema and South Indian cinema. She was one of the most successful leading actresses of South Indian cinema. Also one of the highest paid South Indian actresses alongside her contemporaries like Vijayashanti, Radhika and Radha. She also won so many awards. Especially she was the only South Indian actress of 80s and 90s to win the Filmfare Best Actress Award in Tamil, Telugu and also Malayalam. Apart from films, Revati has been involved in a variety of social organizations, the most notable being the Banyan Ability Foundation, Tanker Foundation and Vidyasagar, and has also served as a member of several film festivals including the Chennai International Film Festival and the International Film Festival of India. Revati is also involved in a variety of social organizations. She has been involved in Banyan Ability Foundation, Tanker Foundation of Vidyasagar. She also served as a member of several film festivals. Actually, there is no need to give an introduction about the famous dancer, actress and director Revati, because you are very familiar with Revati. Anyway, we just went through the personal life, career of Revati in short. Then I want to speak about her first film, Mitra My Friend. Revati has directed many feature films and produced many television programs. Mitra My Friend was Revati's debut directorial venture. The film is also noted for having an all-woman crew. This movie won the Best Film of the Year award at the 49th National Film Festival. Shobhana and Beena Paul won the Best Actress and Best Editor awards respectively. The film exposes the problems of an NRI couple, Lakshmi and Prithvi, and their 17-year-old daughter Divya in America. The film opens with the marriage proceedings of a South Indian marriage between Lakshmi and Prithvi. Lakshmi is a typical South Indian girl from Chidambaram and Prithvi is a software engineer from California. Mitra, my friend, exposes the problems of an NRI couple. It's the story of Lakshmi and Prithvi and their 17-year-old daughter Divya. The film begins with the marriage proceedings of a South Indian marriage between Lakshmi and Prithvi. Lakshmi is a typical South Indian girl. She is from Chidambaram. It's a place in Tamil Nadu. And Prithvi is a software engineer from California. After the marriage, both of them shifted to America. Lakshmi, who is born and brought up under the Indian culture, finds it is very difficult to cope up with the new environment. So we can see that after their marriage, Lakshmi and Prithvi, both of them shifted to America. Lakshmi, she is a typical Indian girl. That's why for her it is very difficult to cooperate with the new environment. She gives up everything for her husband. Everything goes well between them. She looks after her husband and he too works hard in the office for the family. So we can see that in the early years of their marriage, Lakshmi spent her life time for her husband. She looks after her husband well. Her husband is also worked for their family. Lakshmi gives birth to a baby girl and then second part of the film begins. Lakshmi looks after her husband and her daughter Divya. Divya, once she turns adolescent, becomes too Americanized that she rebels against her mother's archaic and foolish Indian traditions. Then we can see that years passed. Both of them were blessed with a baby girl. Lakshmi took the responsibility of their daughter Divya and also her husband. Like that, the days and years passed. But when Divya reached at her adolescent age, she became too Americanized. She started to follow the culture of America. So Divya rebels against her mother's archaic and foolish Indian traditions. For Divya, it is not digestible to obey her mother. So she started to insult her mother by saying that her Indian tradition. As a result of an argument with Lakshmi, she drops out from the college and decides to live on her own. Her husband too becomes very indifferent to her needs and is content with his own life. The very things he liked in his wife soon started irritating him. So we can see that after the dispute between mother and daughter, Divya decided to leave her own house. She started to live on her own. When Divya left from their home, her husband Prithvi too becomes very indifferent to her needs and is content with his own life. Prithvi also felt whatever he liked in his wife, soon he started to feel it is irritating him. So we can see that they are also mentally detached. The second half of the film shows the transformation of Lakshmi into her own person. She begins to develop her own interests, goes for dance classes and tries out new ways of hairstyle. She realizes that there is more to life than cooking and cleaning. She identifies a new friend in her neighbor who seems to be able to realize her character. In the second half of the film, we can see the changes in Lakshmi. Lakshmi transformed into her own person. She started to change her lifestyle. She began her dance classes. She started to try new ways of hairstyle. She also understood that there are more things in life which she can do than cooking and cleaning. At that period, she also met a friend. He was a neighbor. Actually, that neighbor who seems to be able to realize her character. One day she finds an anonymous chat friend named Mitra, who speaks her own language, Tamil, and understands her feelings and tries to give advices to resolve her issues. They become close to each other. She too, in turn, tries to solve his problems he comes across with his girlfriend. Thus, she makes a new world of her own in which she resides happily. Then we can see that in the second half of film, Lakshmi transformed into her own person when she was enjoying her life in a new way. At that moment, she finds an anonymous chat friend named Mitra. Her chat friend Mitra, who also speaks in her own language, Tamil. That's why both of them started to share their feelings and they started to advise each other. Very soon they became close to each other. Mitra gave advices to solve Lakshmi's issues. At the same time, Lakshmi also helped Mitra to solve his problems. Anyway, Lakshmi became the girlfriend of Mitra. The climax of the movie comes when Lakshmi realizes that her chat friend is none other than her own husband. Prithvi and Lakshmi, who scarcely spoke to each other in person, became close confidants, sharing their innermost thoughts electronically. The film comes to a happy ending when Divya too comes back home and even began to like some of her mother's Indianness. Actually, in the climax, Lakshmi identifies that her chat friend is her own husband Prithvi. Before starting this chatter, actually the husband and wife didn't get the time to spend each other. They didn't speak. So through this electronic media, they got the opportunity to speak and share their emotions and feelings well. We can also see that their daughter Divya too comes back home, and she is also ready to accept some of her mother's Indianness. The film was shot in 30 days, mainly in California. The usual song and dance sequences are avoided. The characters are well thought out, all doing a fairly decent job. They are effortlessly integrated into the progress of the story and the progression of events that shape the relationships and the motivation. Actually, this film was shot in just 30 days. Mainly, its shooting was in California. The another speciality of this film, they already avoided the song and dance sequences. The characters are well thought out. All the characters are doing a fairly decent job. The teenager Divya, rebelling against her mother's Indianness, might strike a chord in many Indian families with the offspring of that age. Shobana as Lakshmi and Nasir Abdullah as Prithvi enacts their roles with ease with the help of the rest of the crew. We already went through the plot of the film with my friend in short. Then I want to speak about the technical side. The film is directed by Revati, produced by Suresh Chandramenon, written by V. Priya, screenplay by Sudha Kongara Prasad, starring Shobana, Nasir Abdullah, Preeti Visa. Music by songs Bhavadharini Ilayaraja. Cinematography Fauzia Fatima. Edited by Beena Paul. Production company Telephoto Entertainments Limited. Distributed by Telephoto Films. Running time 105 minutes. Language English, Hindi, Tamil. I already told you this film is set partly in India and the US. The film was also noted for having an all-women crew. The movie won the Best English Film of the Year award at the 49th National Film Awards. The movie also won Best Actress and Best Editor awards for Shobana and Beena Paul respectively at the same function. Revati received the Special Jury Award Silver Peacock at the 33rd International Film Festival of India. Then we are going to speak about the plot of the film Mitra My Friend. Mitra My Friend is a film about the plight of women who sacrifice their life for the betterment of their family. It also describes the cultural differences experienced by a small town girl on moving to a transposed environment living. The film opens with a typical South Indian wedding being performed between Lakshmi and Prithvi. The marriage has been arranged by their parents in the usual Indian manner. Lakshmi is typical South Indian girl from Chidambaram, Tamil Nadu. Prithvi is a software engineer working in California. We can see that the movie opens with the typical South Indian marriage. The marriage is between Lakshmi and Prithvi. It is an arranged marriage by their parents. Lakshmi is a typical South Indian girl from Chidambaram in Tamil Nadu. Prithvi is a software engineer he is working in California. After the wedding, they move to the USA where Lakshmi gradually tries to fit into her new surroundings. The marriage is a happy union. Priti works hard at work. Lakshmi manages the home and they grow to love one another deeply. Then we can see that after their marriage, both of them shifted to California. Lakshmi tried to fit into her new surroundings. Both of them were very happy. Priti works hard for their family. Lakshmi managed their home well. Within a year, they are blessed with a baby girl, Divya. The film flashes forward 17 years. Divya is a typical adolescent. She goes to school, plays soccer and occasionally attends parties. Within 1 year, they were blessed with a baby girl. Her name is Divya. Then the film flashed forward 17 years. Then we can see that Divya is in her adolescent age. She goes to school, she started to play soccer and she had the habit to attend parties occasionally. Actually, she attended the parties with the parents' permission. Lakshmi does not take to the partying very well and tensions rise between mother and daughter. Divya aspires independence and expresses herself by sidelining Lakshmi. Lakshmi wants her to be responsible and expresses this by checking up on Divya a bit too much for Divya to be comfortable. I already told you, Lakshmi, she is a typical South Indian girl. That's why she didn't like when Divya is going to parties. As the result, the tensions rise between mother and daughter. Divya always wants to be independent, but Lakshmi wants her to be responsible. Priti understands both sides and tries to cope with Divya's growing up, but not always with full cognizance of Lakshmi's feelings. As a husband and a father, Priti can understand both sides very well. He tried to cooperate with Divya's growing up and also her wife's feelings. But later he couldn't stand and recognize the feelings of Lakshmi's well. Things escalate one evening when Divya kisses her boyfriend Robbie outside her home. Lakshmi is furious because her traditional values do not permit physical intimacy outside of marriage. In her fury, she bursts forward and drives Robbie away from the porch. Then we can see that Divya kisses her boyfriend Robbie outside their home. When Lakshmi saw this, she became angry because her traditional values do not permit physical intimacy outside of marriage. That's why she drove Robbie away from their porch. Divya is furious at this kind of interference. She moves out of her parents' house and begins to cohabit with Robbie. Then we can see that after this incident, Divya left their home and she started to live with her boyfriend Robbie. Lakshmi is overwhelmed by this and Priti is also angered because he feels that Lakshmi has acted in haste and mishandled the situation. He begins to drift away from Lakshmi. It also affected the life of Lakshmi and Prithvi very badly because Prithvi thought that because of Lakshmi, Divya left their home. That's why he begins to drift away from Lakshmi. Amid this storm, Lakshmi seeks a shoulder in an internet chat room where she meets a Mitra with whom she is gradually able to share her thoughts and feelings. This connection yields another result. Mitra points out that Lakshmi is too committed to her family to relax or be happy for herself. At that period, we can see that Lakshmi started to chat with a friend. His name is Mitra. When Lakshmi shared her feelings with him, he advised Lakshmi, you should live for yourself. You should find the time for yourself. You should try to be happy by yourself. Lakshmi digests this and begins to explore her own interests in carpentry, dance and hairstyling. She thereby establishes a new identity and personality for herself. Then we can see that she started to change herself. She started to work on carpentry. She started her dance classes. She also tried new experiments on her hair. So like that, she established a new identity and personality for herself. She becomes fast friends with her new neighbor Steve. He is a computer security consultant and his kid brother Paul. At that time, she also got a very good friend Steve. He is a neighbor of Lakshmi. Steve is a computer security consultant. He has also a kid brother Paul. Prithvi keeps his distance from these neighbors and all of Lakshmi's new friends. He is chagrined that the new Lakshmi is no longer his doting, traditional wife. She is still affectionate but has now learned the notions of space and tacit distance. While he is inwardly glad she is growing, he discovers that there is depleting room for him, particularly at a time when he is coping with his daughter's absence. Things come to a head when he overhears Lakshmi laughing with Steve, assumes the worst, and uses a convenient work-relaxed excuse to move out for a few days. I already told you, Lakshmi started the friendship with one of their neighbors, Steve, and his kid brother, Paul. But Prithvi always kept a distance from them. He always engaged in his work. When Prithvi overhears Lakshmi laughing with Steve, he became worse and he moved out for a few days. The film takes a turn when Lakshmi, now alone at home, receives a call from the hospital. Divya has broken up with Robbie and is now hurt. Divya realizes that she cannot cope with the vagaries and lack of commitment inherent in relationships with non-Indian people. Then we can see that when Prithvi left their home, Lakshmi became alone. Days passed. When she was alone, she received a call from the hospital. She already identified Divya has broken up with Robbie. Divya also realized that she cannot cope with the vagaries and lack of commitment inherent in relationship with non-Indian people. She regrets her previous decisions and decides to return home. Mother and daughter spend more quality time and bond over Lakshmi's narration of nostalgic stories about her arrival to a new life in the USA. Then we can see that Divya came back to their home. Divya started to spend the time with her mother. Lakshmi started to speak about their new life in the USA. She also revealed that she is in touch with her Mitra all through. The film builds to its climax when she asks at Divya's urging Mitra to meet in person at the Fisherman's Wharf in San Francisco. All is revealed when Mitra turns out to be none other than Prithvi himself. We can see that a happy climax in this film. Because of Divya's urging, they decided to meet Mitra. They fixed the meeting at the Fisherman's Wharf in San Francisco. There they identified Mitra turns out to be none other than Prithvi himself. Then I want to speak about the cast. Shobana as Lakshmi, Nasir Abdullah as Prithvi, Preeti Visa as Divya, Matt Phillips as Steve, Black Onsby as Paul, Shirley Bennett as Pam, Brian G. Lianbo as Brian, Janine Pibal as Rachel, Mikhail Bailey as Robbie, Chandraleman as Lakshmi's mother, Srinivasan as Lakshmi's father, Homai Barna as Prithvi's mother, Ramchana Asrami as Prithvi's father, Mrs. Lelati as Prithvi's grandmother, Karthik Srinivas as Lakshmi's brother, Poonam Sinha as relative. Awards which won the film. Shobana's performance won critical acclaim and was honored as Best Actress at 49th National Film Awards. 49th National Film Awards 2001. Best Feature Film in English Suresh Menon. Best Actress Shobana. Best Editing Veena Paul. Then I want to speak about the International Film Festival of India. Special Jury Award Silver Peacock at the 33rd International Film Festival of India. I hope all of you enjoyed the movie Mitra My Friend, directed by Revati and her entire crew. But at the same time, I remind, if you didn't watch the movie, you should watch it. I promise it will be a wonderful experience for you, because all the actors, they already enacted their roles very perfectly in this film. We will meet in the next class with a new chapter. Thank you.